Hello guys, Patrick here, and today I'm gonna show you how to enable live preview for PHP websites on Windows. The first step will be to install XAMPP. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, as you have your XAMPP downloaded and installed, you can go to VS Code and we'll set it up. First, make sure you have autosave enabled. Then go to Extensions, find Live Server, install it, then install PHP Server, go here to Extension Settings, and there, in PHP Server IP, put 0.0.0.0, the same as me, and in PHP Server PHP path, put your PHP path just as like me. Okay, the next step will be installing Live Server web extension. I'll also put the link in the description. Okay, as you have it installed, you'll see the little icon here. Click on it, then set it up like me. Live reload enabled, item on proxy setup enabled, and server addresses just like me. I'll put them in the description. Okay, as everything is set up, we can go here to our index.php file, right click on the code, find PHP server serve project, click on it. Also, in the right bottom corner, click on go live. It will start our live server. Now you are able to see your website live. Open a new tab, go to localhost :3000, and okay, I can see my website. How do I know it works live? Let's add some exclamation marks. As you can see, the site reloaded and exclamation marks appeared. And that's it, you're all set to code with live previews. Happy coding!